What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike here. We were just out on a ride on the ZX4. Came up here to the iconic Big Spring Park here in Huntsville. Just wanted to show this off for a moment. Gonna cruise around and see some of these old buildings, some of the new structures they're building. Just kind of hanging out. Let's do it. Any day now. This thing's always a hit or miss. Hey, there we go. Gotta love it. It's like trying to find neutral. Fortunately, on this bike, it has the... What? Uh-oh. Hey, what was that all about? What is happening? It was like it wasn't in gear there. It just slipped into first. Weird. Never had that happen before. Not sure what's going on. But anyways, all right. So yeah, here we are around Big Spring Park. This is downtown Huntsville. This is definitely an up-and-coming area. I actually voted the #1 best place to live in America last year. Surprisingly enough, not really sure why. But yeah, here we are. I know this bike definitely doesn't like trudging around slow speeds too much. Look at that big. 650 looks like. Cali. It's cool. But yeah, this is more of a track-oriented bike, so it definitely likes to be up in higher RPMs and going a bit faster. Kind of tends to heat up. Usually between like 180 and 220. But yeah, we have the Braun Center here. We have lots of basically all of our events that come to town, like the Monster Jam and things of that nature. Disney on Ice, just different kind of events that may come to town. That's usually where that's hosted. Some classic hotels. Russell Erskine, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Then also a lot of like classic diners and eateries around in this area as well, the downtown area. It's kind of pretty live at night. Very similar to the nearby area of Nashville, there downtown. I think I'd actually prefer Nashville, to be honest. This thing is acting up. Never actually had any issues out of this bike. Not sure what's going on. Need to get her home and check her out. Little gentleman's club looks like there, something of the sort. Oh, this is a one-way. Haha, whoopsies. Don't mind me, just exploring. Hey, that's what it's all about. Don't be afraid to get out and get lost on the bikes. It's easily maneuverable. You can get around, just kind of do whatever. It's pretty nice. And the gas is so cheap. Like this morning when I stopped, I put $4 in here. It's nothing. I don't really know where to turn, which way can I actually go. Not extremely familiar with this area. I don't come down to here too much. But like I said, when you get the bike, it definitely encourages you to get out more and explore. Once again, that's kind of what it's all about. I hope I don't have any major issues out of this thing. Just kind of poking around town here. Definitely I want to get like a cruiser of some sort, just to buzz around on as well, and to take my kiddo for rides. She loves to get on the bike also, but this one's so loud, it's definitely a bit of a nuisance to the neighbors, as well as, like I said, it just kind of prefers to go fast. Some monuments there, that's pretty awesome. We'll never accept defeat. You say that again. That's it. Old train unit there, that's pretty cool. Little cart. I have no clue where I'm at. It's like some little section homes. Right here by the downtown. And we're chilling. I think they're building a lot more parking decks. They had one over here and they tore it down. I guess they're redoing that. I'm not really sure what was wrong with it, but it's caused a lot of inconvenience in the area. When you come here to events, it's like, where in the world do I park? There's everybody and their mother and grandmother here in town, and excuse me, fighting over places. And of course, most of the spots are little toll spots and things of that nature, and people rent out their lots, but even all that stuff just fills up as well. So it gets pretty challenging to find some parking here when the events come to town. So I know they're definitely building a lot more parking decks and things of that nature to kind of resolve some of those issues, parking for events. Because for one, I definitely get lost when I come down here. I have no clue. I just tend to try to follow the crowd best I can and find the nearest lot. Like $5, $10, hey, whatever. Fortunately, the last time I actually came down here, I was on the bike riding with my family in their car, and they just let me slide in. Well, they let both of us slide in because we didn't have cash, and I smoothed over the lady. She's a sweet lady, you know. I'm a little handsome guy, you know. I talked her over, and they let us both slide in for free, so that was pretty cool. Definitely some good people in the Huntsville area. I've seen a lot of kindness and genuine people around here, that's for sure. I would like to go. That would be really cool. Talk about overheating. This is why. Definitely not helping. Oh, so there's a good shot of the VBC right there. This is the front entrance of that Braun Center there. We got some country singers coming to town, looks like. Sammy Kershaw. Things of that nature. All kinds of cool stuff comes around here. So if you're ever in town, definitely check out and see what's going on at the Braun Center, the VBC. There's like some super old houses over this way as well, like 100 years old or something of that sort. It's pretty neat. See if we can locate those, wrap around, and find some of those pretty cool to look at.
bike. Once again, just touching on that freedom. You just kind of scoot around, maneuvering and stuff. That mobility is awesome. Just kind of get where you want to go. We're in the neighborhood. Some of these older houses. Look at that. The Twickenham Historic District. March 1972. It's interesting. That one's really pretty. Got the Beamer sitting up under there. Just got casual castles, nothing too crazy. Seems as though I have to turn here. Let's see what's this way. Whoa. It's a nice little area. Wouldn't mind living through here. It's pretty. Got the mountain way back there. Looks like I could just drive right up onto it. I think I was in a turn lane. Excuse me. Always gotta watch out for those vehicles parked on the side there. And then we got people like this, just drive their van straight at you. Always gotta be aware. It's a pretty truck. Classic Chevy. They don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. Oh, it appears I cannot ride right up onto the mountain. So close. This way looks promising. Taking off in a second. We do that here. I'm probably gonna start traffic, keep left. All right, yeah. Making my way back towards civilization. Nice houses up on these hills here. This looks sketchy. Yeah, I just wanted to take you guys for a little ride for a bit. Just out enjoying this beautiful day. It's been a lot of rain going on in the area lately. Haven't really been able to get out too much. So it's been nice to catch these sunny days and go out for a ride. Need to get me some buddies in the area. Oh, hello. That is a dead end. Can't go that way or that way. All right, all this is dead ends here. We will be turning around. Hey, that's the beauty of it. Get out and explore. You never know what you're going to come around to. What else are you going to do? Sit at the house? Alright, I'm going to use my cellular device to route myself back to civilization. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up here, guys. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.